Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sarithaa. Today we will see how to make this beautiful wire wrap pendant. I have used copper wire and the glass beads and a pearl. So this is a 7-inch pendant. This will go very well with the long copper chain. This will give a very nice look to your outfit. So let's quickly see what are the items required. So this is 16 gauge copper wire, 24 gauge copper wire for wrapping. It's a pearl. I'm using only one pearl, 10 mm, and those are glass beads of 8 mm. Here I have cut the wire into 5 pieces, 2 of 2 inch and one is of 5 inch, the other 2 of 4.5 inch of 2 piece. So first, with the smaller wire we'll make 2 S shapes with the help of a round nose plier. You can also make them with the help of bail making pliers, so that will be more easier, but I don't have it currently, so I am making with the help of round nose plier. And guys, who are visiting first time my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like this video, and mention in the comment section below your feedback. So we have the S shape. So we need to make a similar one. So we have it. So the other 4.5 inches 2 wires we have, we need to make a S shape again, and when we join it together it has to form a heart shape. So to make the first piece, and while making the second one, make sure that you are matching the dimension exactly as what we have made the first one. You can always do the shaping with the help of your hands. Here you can see on the top it's a small curve, and below the curve is bit wider and larger. Now we take the 5-inch wire and keep the round nose plier in the middle and bring the wire like a X shape. So So form a W and then make loop on both the sides. Just cutting off a wire bit. So this is the final one we are going to make. After that we are going to wire wrap it. Just leave the loop portion and wire wrap it completely for all the pieces except the small 2S. So 3 pieces we are going to wire wrap it, 3 big pieces. So we are done with the wire wrapping. So now we need to join them to form a shape. You can see I have already joined the 2 big S with the help of the loops. I brought in between the loop and wire wrapped it. In same way, and wire wrap and join them. Trim the ends and make sure you press the wires. So the other side as well, you need to bind them together. We'll do one more wire wrapping. Now attach the two small S shape. The base is ready. I take around 5-inch wire and make a twisted loop for the bead and attach them with the two loops on the top. Just a small twist. Just bring it through the loop and then make a twisted loop. I'm just showing you for one bead. Same thing you can make for rest of the beads. I've done similarly for all the beads. So join two of them on the bottom. So now we'll add the pearl. So similar way, just adding to the middle where we have two loops. So secure the pearl tightly there. So that's it, we have our pendant ready. Please do let me know in the comment section if you like the pendant, and give a like if you like the pendant, and please do subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Thanks for watching.